Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this FumyFumy BBQ grill mat for gas grills, and of course it's a grill mat for charcoal grills too. It's a plate grill accessories, Teflon grill mat, a grill mat for a charcoal grill, for gasoline grills, for gas grills, for your oven in the kitchen, for air fryers, and so on. It's a set of 5 non-stick mats with grill tongs and grill brush. We have here a 0.3 millimeter thickness. That means super durable design. This grill mat is 50% thicker than the most other products on the market. The grill mat with a thickness of 0.3 millimeter is stronger and more durable, more resistant to high temperature, and it's not easy to break, as you can see. It withstands high temperature of 260 degrees Celsius. These are nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's 100% non-stick with a good effect. The grill mats have a new generation of mirror coating technology, which allows us to grill or cook without additionally cooking oil. It do not stick to the food. At the same time, it can ensure and enhance the taste of the food itself. Thanks to the new generation coating technology, the surface of this grill mat here is smoother and easier to clean than others. The easiest way to clean this is after you used it, place it in the dishwasher. After use, simply use the cloth to clean under the trap, or it can also be cleaned directly in the dishwasher. In addition, using a grill mat saves us the tedious cleaning of the grill. That's a really cool thing, because the barbecue grill is after we remove these mats, like new. Oh, without cleaning anymore. That's a cool thing behind this grill mat here. And of course we can reuse it because it's a quality assurance. Each grill mat is made of healthy and absolutely durable material, odorless and wear resistant. Clean as new after washing. It can be reused many times. This saves us money and time. If we are dissatisfied, we can use a brush to clean these mats too. After this, if it is really hard, a lot of food is on it, maybe it sticks after a lot of use, then you use a brush to clean it, and after this go to the dishwasher and get it in position. Of course, this is really problem. You will not be dissatisfied with that, because it's much better than to grill the grill or the barbecue roast and it sticks food on it, and here it is on the mat, and the food the food is stick on it after a couple of using. Here it was a big bunch of patties I used, and after this it was really easy. I can wipe it off easily, or I use a brush to get it off. And after this process, I get it into the dishwasher. After the dishwasher program, it was done. Really easy, yeah. And we have an extensive applicability with that mat here. This grill mat is either for all types of grills. It can be gas, electric, charcoal, or even infrared grills. It can also be individually cut to the size to fit perfectly in the oven or other appliance like an air fryer or something else. These mats are made from 100% PFOA-free material with a high-quality PTFE fiberglass coating for added safety and health. It can bring more fun while we grill, but there's a big bunch of possibility. We use it for baking. We grill the mats are versatile. We keep our oven clean when baking pastries and shorten cleaning time after this. And barbecue accessories are available here. These grill clips and grill brush makes our grilling more convenient and use that we can enjoy grilling to the fullest. And we have a non-stick grill mat here. The grilling is possible without adding fat. The heating is balanced to ensure that the taste of the food is good. And after this, we enjoyed a barbecue evening, for example. We enjoy grilling with our friends. From now on, the grill mats can provide more fun while grilling. And it can be cut to any size we need. We can cut the grill mat into a size as needed, which is convenient for use in stoves such as microwave ovens too. And easy to clean. The grill mat is easy to clean and is also dishwasher safe, so you can use what you like. We do not place it directly to the charcoal, only on the rust over it, okay? Avoid scratching the mat with sharp or metallic tools. We allow it to cool before cleaning and dry it with a clean soft cloth or use the dishwasher. This is the FumyFumy BBQ grill mat set for all kinds of grills or ovens and microwave ovens and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.